Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'll show you how to edit out your figure stands. I call this shot STAP Attack. STAP is short for Single Troop Aerial Platform, and they are, in my opinion, one of the coolest vehicle designs in all of Star Wars. Since they're flying vehicles, I used an aerial shot of a landscape as my background, and I created a tall platform out of cinder blocks to pose them on. This allowed me to take a downward facing shot without seeing my desk or the TV stand in the background. I also offset the top of my platform so the vehicles would be at different heights. Next, I posed and placed my figures. I love that these battle droids have this weird neck extension feature because you can make it look like it's getting its head cut off without actually having to remove the head. After that, I placed a small blue spotlight with a barn door on it to cast my lightsaber glow. Finally, I positioned a couple foam core boards to reflect the light from my softbox. Here's my starting image. In addition to editing out the figure stands, I wanted to add some special effects around the lightsaber. I began by aligning my shot with the second exposure and applying a layer mask that allowed me to brush out the figure stand with the brush tool. Next, I used a custom brush to stamp in some sparks on my battle droid's neck, obscuring the extension to make it look like he had been decapitated. After touching up the background, I used the pen tool and brush tool to draw in the lightsaber blade. I also removed the plastic blade because they're never perfectly straight and part of it was sticking out from behind my layer effects. Following that, I added some adjustment layers for levels and color balance, then removed all the articulation joints on Anakin. I also did some dodging and burning on Anakin's face to make his features stand out better. And finally, I added a vignette to darken up the bottom edges. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.